What's poppin', y'all? Let me pour my water. Hey, your girl went to Panera Bread, okay? And this will probably be the last time, so I know. Okay, let me get everything out and let y'all know what I got. So, I got a fruit and yogurt cup. And they gave me like fruit and yogurt, literally. I got some turkey chili. It comes with bread. I just throw the bread in there. Okay, great. And then I got a half a, really? This was like $8. I got a half a, what was this? Green Goddess Cobb chicken salad. This is what I got. And believe it or not, well, you probably can't believe it coming from Panera. This was $18. That's a lot, okay. First of all, excuse my appearance, y'all. I've been like out running and I want to record this really fast. I'm mad at the salad though. The salad was $8. Like, girl, what? Let me know if you guys like Panera Bread, if you've ever been, and what you like from there. Their food, their food is pretty good. I've been there maybe twice. Should I even do that? Or should I eat it separate? Let me eat it separate. Okay. I'm kind of discombobulated at this point. They literally put nothing in here. And let me know what you get or what you like best from Panera Bread. Cause I don't know. I've been thinking about trying to eat there more. Like when I do go out and eat. Of course, y'all know I enjoy cooking. But you know, when and if I do go out to eat. Oh my God, what is this? It's like an avocado, not like ranch, but it's like an avocado Caesar dressing. If that makes sense. I need a little more dressing, child. A little more, just a little bit. But have you guys ever been through Panera's drive-thru? They are so quick. Like, how? Like, they got all the stuff on the menu, but yet, by the time you're at the window, your food is ready. Like, he handed me my food before I even paid. And I should have just drove away. No, I should have just drove away and got me some free Panera, because, child, $18 for all this. Well, not all this, but $18 for this, okay? I like to put salt and pepper on my salads. That's what I always do. Yeah, this tastes very healthy, okay? Excuse me for not having any makeup on. Y'all see me plenty of time with no makeup on anyway, but that was like just enough dressing. So earlier today, me and my mom went looking for some furniture because I have a sectional behind me that I got when I first moved in. And I think I've been here almost 3 years. It sits really low. It's just really old. I actually got this section off of Craigslist for $200, which was a steal, okay? Because these sectionals in these furniture stores, oh my God. These sectionals in this furniture, these prices in these furniture stores. Okay, a lot. Okay. That's pretty good. What are these? That's pretty good. Also looked at some kitchen tables because the one I have is broke on one end. So like if you put something too heavy on the other end, it's gonna like fall. Anyway, I know the ghetto, right? Well, and I've had that since I moved in as well. It's just time to change up, you know. It's definitely just time for a little jazz, you know, a little pizzazz, a little refresher, you know. So I have some lashes coming in, and they're actually delivered today. So when my vendor shipped them out, it sent me a message saying, "Oh, you'll receive this on March 2nd." So I'm like, okay, I'll get them next week sometime. Well, got a message saying it's gonna be delivered today. So I'm like, okay. Tomorrow I get my hair retwisted. I'm excited to blow things out. Let me know if you guys are interested in seeing like month to month updates on my hair. Cause Jesus, I am in shambles. I'm all over the place, child. Cause my 1 month update video didn't do all that good. So I'm like, are people really interested in seeing like me do an update on my hair every month? So if you're not, let me know. Be honest with me. Which more than likely I'll put it up anyway. Just so I can go back and watch it. That's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, see ya.